also see a collection of armors and weapons. Hello my amazing friends! This is your one and only Amazing Andy, and welcome to my channel! Today we are going to explore again another famous place. Yes, you're right, another famous place. Did you know that there is one largest museum that you can see only here in New York City? Yes, you're right. Come join me. Let's explore the Metropolitan Museum of Art. The Metropolitan Museum of Art, or Met Museum, is one of the largest museums in the United States and one of the most visited museums around the world. The Metropolitan Museum was founded April of 1870, and the founders were the businessmen, the financiers, the artists, and leading thinkers during that time. Is it amazing? Friends, believe it or not, it feels like you are traveling around the world if you are in the museum, because you can see artifacts from Egypt, China, Europe. The Met Museum has full of sculptures and paintings. Museum has thousands of paintings from European artists like Vermeer, Rembrandt, and Van Gogh. Oh my God, it's amazing! If you are a music lover person, be happy because Met Museum has a place for you. It has the largest collection of different kinds of musical instruments. Is it amazing? Metropolitan Museum of Art was also shown in a lot of movies. You can also see a collection of armors and weapons during the old times here in Met Museum. Take a look. Oh my God, my friend, this museum has 2 million arts collection and artifacts, which is divided into 7 curatorial departments. Wow! Before we go, shout out to my amazing friend, DJ Ira. Hey guys, please subscribe to her channel, DJ Ira. Let's wrap it up. Hope you guys have enjoyed our walk tour for today here at Metropolitan Museum or Met Museum. See you in our next video. Another yes, you're right, it's called Metropolitan Museum of Art here in New York. It's here behind me, look at that.